This is Martins Maris. Today, we shall be reviewing a project called BGWEALTH. All right, it is an investment platform and also a trading platform that pays some percentage to those who invest on it or those who are trading with it. All right, so you need to understand that this for you to a trading platform to be legitimate, there are certain criteria they need to meet. At least they have to be audited by SEC or other agencies that will be monitoring their activities. That is number one. Number two, for crypto trading platform, they have to be listed on at least CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. All right, so we are also going to check that. And then they also claim that they are registered. They are registered with. They have SEC license, and they also claim that they have Australian ASIC license too. So with the certificate, so we are also going to check that out to actually know if they're really legitimate or not. All right. So and they also say that they are founded um by a man. Let me check the man's name. Uh, they say that they were founded on in April 2022 by Karen Sandler. All right, so I will also check that DSJ Exchange. They say they were founded on April 2022. So we are also going to check that out. And then that is that on that. So we are going to do a review of this particular platform. The homepage of BGWEF, and the official website is BGEX.pro. All right, so like I said, they say that they claim to be a trading platform and investment platform as well. All right, so and they claim to be the pioneer of the separation of alpha and beta investing, and developed a strategy known as alpha overlay involving 20 uncorrelated portfolios, leveraging risk or return combined with cash or market benchmark. So this is not really our concern. All right, so our concern is mostly on the basic things they need to put in place, which is number one. They say that this company was founded in 2018, all right, by Stephen Beard, and on behalf of the International Monetary Fund to participate in the creation of investing subsidiary. Now, the point is that is this website the one founded by the said man, and who is this man? Can we look up this man on social media like LinkedIn or X or any social media account to confirm he really exists? So we are going to check. We are going to make some search to know if this man really exists, and if this man has actually said something about this particular project that is mentioned here. All right, that is how to authenticate this. And then um here they say Stephen Beard was born, and this is actually the about the person. Then platform introduction, DSJ Exchange introduction, founded in April 2022 by Karen Sandler, a former Argos engineer. Okay, so we're also going to search this second person too to know if yes, this person actually found this particular website that we are using for this review, because this is the website they are using. All right, so we are also going to check that out. All right, when was this exchange platform founded? They say this exchange was founded in April 2022. But so we are going to check this website to know if this website was actually founded in April 2022. And now you can see their license. They say they have SEC license. So we're going to check SEC website to know if yes, this website is actually the one that is being licensed by SEC. All right, and then Australian ASIC license. So we are also going to check if this was also licensed by this. All right, so that is that those are the major things we are going to check. And then other things I think is the profit. All right, their profit. All right, how do they earn their revenue? All right, how do they earn their revenue? So let me quickly scroll. Maybe if I can get where they said something about that. Okay, they say the main source of profit for DSJ exchange. They say that number one, profit from deposit. Users fund flow into the exchange, which are used as operating fund as well as for acquisition, new constructions, expansion, angel round financing, real estate, hotels, tourism development, and other investments. And then the main source of profit for DSJ exchange is transaction fees, like other formal exchanges such as Binance, OKX, Coinbase, Crypto.com. The main source of income for all formal exchanges is transaction fees, which means that the more daily active users the exchange has, the greater the profit. As the number of users increase, the cost of issuing new coins, the cost of exchange service, advertising cost, etc. will also become source of income for the exchange. Now, if this is the main source of income for those exchanges, there is no guaranteed profit from those exchanges. Bybit is not giving you a guaranteed profit. Binance is not giving you a guaranteed daily ROI. Other exchanges, recognized exchanges, does not give you a guaranteed profit for just depositing your money there. So how are they going to give guaranteed profit from just transaction fees, and they're giving you 1 to 4% profit as they claimed? All right, so I think it is not going to be sustainable enough for them to be using their transaction fees to be giving people 1 to 4% profit. The question should be, how much is the transaction, how much are they charging that they will be paying everybody? How many people trade on the platform every day that they will be getting the transaction fee to be paying all their investors every day? All right, so you need to question the sustainability. All right, and then they said another source of the revenue is construction of physical hotels in major cities, investment in the development of tourist attractions, and rental fees for LED advertising screen, stock and private equity, and funds investment. If they really do all these physical activities, their physical address should be known, because it's already no longer a blockchain activity. This time is now a physical activity too. At least, even if there is no physical address, they should have a social media account where you can visit to see their activities, to confirm that yes, what they actually claimed here is what they are doing. All right, so introduction to BG Investment Group's profit points. The main source of BG Investment Group's profit, BG Investment Group cooperate with DSJEX exchange to guide users to invest. For example, if users trade 100 USDT, DSJ exchange will return 1% to 4% of the transaction volume according to the agent scale. BG Investment Group earns profit through transaction volume rewards, helping DSJ exchange users reach a certain number and enjoy reward and transaction volume dividends. So you are getting 1 to 4% of your transaction, and that is why I said that how is that going to be sustainable? All right, so these are the major things we need to check here. And then if we scroll down to their social media handles, you see their Facebook, their Twitter, and Instagram, and LinkedIn. So if you click on Facebook, let's know if it will take us to their social media page. Oh damn, I just click on Facebook, it just scrolled me up. It scrolled me up after clicking on Facebook. Okay, let me check X. Same thing, X takes me up. It didn't redirect me to any social media page. Instagram, same. This is already a red flag. Yes, because it means that there is no, even LinkedIn is taking me up. There is no official social media page for them. They don't have a social media account for verification of all these things they claimed, because social media is like an office, at least an online office, that somebody can go and explore things about the particular product or services. But now the social media page is not working, it's not functional, so it is a red flag. That's red flag number one. All right, and then red flag number two is that they made a claim that they are going to be paying you from transaction fees. Meanwhile, you don't know the volume of people that trade there, and they are giving you guaranteed profit. There is no guarantee transaction when it comes to trading. All right, there is no guarantee. There's no guarantee that 1 million people will trade every day for you to be getting some percentage from those 1 million people. There's no guarantee. All right, so they are not supposed to give a guaranteed profit if they are actually legitimate. All right, so that is that on that. All right, so as you can see, this is the trading platform. You can see that the website of this trading home is different from this home page. You can see the URL is different. Okay, the URL of this home page is bgex.pro, while the URL of their trading distance is DSJ58.com. Meanwhile, there is another DSJ99.com, and there is also another DSJEX.com, which gives a warning of suspected phishing. All right, and has been reported for potential phishing by many people. All right, so could it be that when the previous website was reported as phishing, they had to create these new ones, or could it be that they are operating differently, or there are different websites from this? All right, meanwhile, before we even do that, let's check when this website was created. This bgex.pro was created on September 16, 2025. So this website is just very new website. All right, very new website. All right, so for them to say that they were founded in 2018 or 2022 is not what we are seeing here. What we are seeing here is that this website was created on September 2025. That is this year, just few days ago. All right, so that is that. And then the trading website itself is different. You see, the trading website is dsj58.com, created uh on 3rd of November 2024. All right, that means, yeah, this one has been existing since 2024, since November last year. And then, of course, it is older than the other one we saw initially. And then what if we check this phishing one? All right, let's check this phishing one to know when it was created. All right, so let's check the phishing one to know when it was created. Okay, so this phishing was also created on November on November 2023, same month the previous one was created. So that's what I was asking. Could it be that when this one was flagged, they had to create a new website? It is very suspicious. All right, so that is that. And then now that we have confirmed when the website was created, we go to sec and then search for the registration. They say that they will register on sec, and yes, it is showing here BGWEALTH sharing limited, CRD, and then and all that. So but if you click below, you see the registration status not currently registered. So that means they are not currently under sec monitoring. Sec is not monitoring this particular platform. That is why it is stated they filled the form, yes, but they are not currently registered. All right, so that is that on that. So that means the claim was not actually correct. All right, and ASIC also, we are also going to check it on ASIC to know if they are registered here as well. So let's search the name, organization, and business name. Okay, so let me check it out. Okay, you can see the certificate they claim to have gotten from ASIC here, DSJ Exchange Pty Limited. So on ASIC, we'll search D D DS Exchange Pty Limited. All right, so we'll search it. Let's search it to know if they actually exist. All right, so you can see that here on ASIC, you can see registration date 17th of February 2025, next review date 17th of February 2026. Yes, the name actually exists, but the question is this actually the actual owner of the website we were showing? That is the thing you need to ask yourself, right? So, and another thing you should also know is that this was for registration as a property company. This was registered as what? A property company, not a trading website. All right, you can see it here. Document type: application for registration as a proprietary company. All right, proprietary company. Okay, so let us also Australian Proprietary Company Limited by shares. Okay, so that is it. So you need to also take note of all this. All right, so it is not just about saying that they are registered. What did they register as, and is this the same website that we are seeing? All right, so that is it on that. And then another thing that you also need to check is Grindsoft. All right, on Grindsoft, what did Grindsoft say about this particular platform? All right, so we're going to paste the two link, the new website they created and the one they are using for trading, the one that the home page and the trading page on Grindsoft, to actually know what grinding soft will say about them. All right, so let's search on grinding soft. So before we go back to grinding soft, let's quickly check on CoinMarketCap, because for a platform to be a crypto trading platform, at least they have to be listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, right? So we are going to check this particular platform on CoinMarketCap to know if they actually exist here or not, right? All right, so here we are going to search for BGEX. All right, BGEX on CoinMarketCap to know if this exchange exists. So let's go to exchange. There's nothing like that. And then let's search for uh DSJ DSJ DSJ. All right, DSJ. Let's search for DSJ. There is nothing like DSJ, so it doesn't exist here. So let's clear it all. So you can see that there are many exchanges here. So whenever you want to trade, always go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and check the exchange you want to use. Check the rating, check if they are really legit or not. Always check CoinMarketCap. So if the exchange does not, you didn't see them here, then they are suspicious, because especially for crypto trading, they need to be listed here. All right, so that is that on that. So as you can see, after all our reviews, we've not seen anything that will make us to invest on this project. Rather, we've seen a lot of reasons why we shouldn't invest on this particular platform. So this platform, if you want to trade on this platform, you go to the menu, you go to assets, you see the option to deposit, and then choose the currency USDT, Ethereum, BTC, USDC, and then copy the wallet address and send to it. All right, so this is a very risky platform, and let's finalize with our scan. Let's finalize with our scan on grinding soft. All right, this is our scan on grinding soft. So grinding soft gives this 15 points out of 100, which is very low. And you can see BGX.pro is automatically a suspicious website. Grinding soft says a suspicious website. All right, safety check. BGS operates as a suspicious website with multiple red flags that compromises its trustworthiness and user safety. The platform exhibits concerning characteristics including misleading information, questionable operational practices, or potential malware distribution that pose significant risk to visitors. Alright, so it is flagged as a suspicious website, and the trust score is 15. The location of this is in US. Okay, they say is BGX.pro safe? They say unfortunately not likely. Grandison blocked this website because it was classified as a suspicious website. Alright, so you can see that there are a lot of red flags on this particular website. So for me, I will advise you not to trade on a website like this. And this is just like some other website that was created in the past, whereby you trade only their signals and you only trade when they want you to trade and all that, and then they give you a guaranteed profit, which is not actually guaranteed, because at a stage there may be no sustainability and the system will crash. So invest wisely and manage your risk. Thank you.